for this. Limit x is tending towards infinite. It is x square minus 7x plus 2 upon 3 minus 4x square. Now what is the answer for this? It is of the form infinite by infinite. So what I can do, I can take common x square from both the numerator and denominator. So it will be limit x is tending towards infinite, x square, it is 1 minus 7 upon x plus 2 upon x square whole upon x square common, it is 3 upon x square minus 4. X square and x square will be cancelled out. If you apply the limit right now, your answer will be minus 1 by 4. So got this, dears? I think that would be a very easier process, but next process is very important. The L'Hospital rule and the next format which I am telling you, that is of the form 1 raised to infinite, are very important. And I am definite that you will get few of the questions from these two topics. Got this? Huh. Hello. Now next form of the limits is 1 raised to power infinite. If any limit is of the form 1 raised to power infinite, then it can be resolved with this method, that if L is equals to limit x tending towards a fx raised to power gx, then it could be equals to L equals to e raised to power limit x is tending towards a fx minus 1 into gx. Now it becomes a different question in the power of e. The whole part is becoming a different question in the power of e, and that will be your answer. E raised to power something will be your answer. How, you just see by this example, and you just remember this, that it is the most important concept, and so many questions are being asked in the IIT examination as well as DC and IIEEE. Okay, now you just see that how it works. I'm just citing the easiest example, and I'll just cite few more examples to confirm that. Now see that properly. First one, L equals to limit x is tending towards 0, 1 plus x whole raised to power 1 upon x. If I'm applying the limit, then it is 1 raised to power infinite, which is an indeterminate form. It means we are not finding out the answer right now. Then what we have to do, we have to apply the format. So that will become L equals to e raised to power limit x is tending towards 0, 1 plus x minus 1, that is fx minus 1, what we have done, into 1 upon x. So we can cancel out 1 and x can also be cancelled out. So your output will be e raised to power 1 or your output will be e. I think that is the easiest process to find out the limits. Okay, now what could be the other question? That was the easiest format. Okay, what could be the other question? Now see this properly. L equals to limit x is tending towards 0, tan x plus pi by 4 whole raised to power cot x. Now see this, if I'm applying the limit, then tan pi by 4 will become 1 and cot of 0 will become infinite. So again it is of the form 1 raised to power infinite. Then what we have to do right now? First of all, L equals to limit x is tending towards 0, apply the formula of tan a plus b. So it comes out to be tan of x plus 1. It means tan pi by 4 is equals to 1 upon 1 minus tan x whole raised to power cot x. It can be written as 1 upon tan x. Now it is in the form of fx raised to power gx. What I have to do right now, that L equals to limit x is tending towards 0, tan x plus 1 upon 1 minus tan x minus 1 into 1 upon tan x, and whole in the power of e. Whole things are in the power of e. So what L will become e raised to power limit x is tending towards 0, it is tan of x plus 1 minus 1 plus tan x whole upon 1 minus tan x into 1 upon tan x. Now see this 1 and 1 will be cancelled out. So it is limit e raised to power limit x is tending towards 0. It is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan x into 1 upon tan x. Now tan x and tan x will be cancelled out. Now if I am applying the limit, answer will be e square. So it is the better example by which you can find out the limits with the help of one raised power infinite format. I think you are clear with this example. And for the further study, you just refer to the crash course booklet in which we are given so many examples along with all these methods. And few of the methods are more which you can find out over there, but main methods are these three by which you can find out the limits. Okay, dears.